Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind this crown, I just catched just the vibes. I don't know, I just found this crown in my dresser and decided to wear it because why not? So in this video, as you might already understand it, I will show you how I tried another new hobby, and this hobby called wood burning. What is it? Wood burning. Wood burning is then you're burning wood. Pretty obvious. Okay, anyway, before we get started, I want to just remind you that we have adorable buttons below this video. Subscribe and thumbs up, and I also will so appreciate your feedback in the comments below. Also, I forgot to tell you that if you're new here, my name is Sasha and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. I also have a social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram channels. The links on them you can see in the description below or in the description of my channel. So in the previous video from my summer, the links on it you can see here, it will appear there, right upright. I was visiting my granny in the remote village without any internet. And I appealed to use this opportunity to try something new. I was searching on the dressers, on the drawers, for the old stuff because I really like to search for the old stuff. I don't know why. I was really bored and I was curious what can I do in my free time, and I found the old wood burner that even my father were using when he was a child, because you know, this were grandparents from my father's side, and my father spent his childhood in the village, so yeah. And I decided that this is a really good opportunity, as I mentioned, to try new hobbies, so you can see this video right now. I was not really able to record a lot. Actually, I recorded a lot, but I just accidentally deleted all the videos. Sorry. So I tried a lot of other hobbies there in the village. You can see it actually in the video about village, or for example in the video that I sewed my own bags. Also the link I will try to add here. Actually I tried wood burning even before then I was a child, but I was really bored, probably because it was in my youth, and I just threw it up, this idea to do that. It was not really interesting for me and I lost this wood burner a lot. Actually, it was the second time that I was doing it in my whole life. The first thing that I did for my grandparents, and I actually left it there as a gift, it was like a decoration for the room with the bird. This bird called sich on Russian. It's bird that are living on the north of Russia, and my surname is Sichina, was made from this name, from the honor of this bird. I don't know why, but you know, like I actually took after the surname from my father, so from my grandparents, so I decided that it would be a really good gift for them to wood burn this bird and sing up our surname there. I was not recording how I was doing that, but I have several videos and photos how it turned out, so here we are. After I showed it to my grandparents, they were shocked and they were restless to see in other works. So my grandfather, he's actually a hunter. The major of these hobbies is like hunting and fishing, and he asked me to make a lark because the lark meat, like the venison, it's only a viable meat there. Yeah, sounds pretty strange, but yeah. So he asked me to make a lark, and he gave me, you know, a lot of magazines for hunting, because you know, this like a remote village, they only recently received like opportunity to use the internet, to watch YouTube. They're actually watching my YouTube videos, but they just can't understand me because I'm talking in English. So he asked me to make a lark. I found out the photo in that, but I messed up. I was thinking that I'm making a lark, but actually it's just deer. He said it for me than I was actually, ended up this work. Yeah, I guess I did pretty good, and also I added some. I was making not it only with wood burner, but I also were using a white pencil there. So yeah, right now this is a decoration for our kitchen, and it's hanging up on the shelf. For third one, honestly, after I realized that I can try wood burning, I just made all these works in a row because we were fishing, we were hunting in the village and stuff like that, gathering all these vegetables and fruits, but I was just really bored, like weirdly bored. It was wild how I was bored. So, yeah. I was trying new hobbies. I was trying as many hobbies as I can. So the next one was a cat. It's actually not a cat. It's a cat. It's like it's called барханная кошка on Russian, and it actually translates in English like a desert cat. So that are mostly living on the desert, and this kind of cats also living on the north of Russia. I actually found her photo in the magazine that my grandfather gave me. And yeah, I decided to make it in colors. I was using a pencil that I found out there. This is one of my favorite works, honestly. I really wanted to take it home, and I did it. So let's just watch how it turned out. This is my favorite work among all that I have made in this video, and it's located there on my shelf. Maybe some of them have already noticed it on the background in the previous videos. If no, you can see it right now. Let's switch to the fourth one. Like my mother asked to make it, I found another magazine, and on the cover on it I found really cute birds, like the photo of them. They were sitting on the tree branches, and this is also the birds that are really popular, I guess. Not popular, like they are living on the north of Russia. Like all these magazines were about animals that are living there, okay? I was doing that, and in the middle I was doing that, wood burning broke, and I was not able to do that anymore. So my grandparents actually was really impressed about my work, so they gave some money for my parents. That it was time us to go to home, and said that you should buy a wood burner for your daughter. Like, if you will not do that, we will offend on you, okay? So my father actually bought me a wood burner, and after I returned home, I did it. I ended up this work, and only there I was actually able to record all the process properly. So let's just watch. Hello, I just returned from the village like a couple of weeks ago, I guess. So my father ordered a wood burner. I want to show it for you. Sorry, we fell apart my attempt to record. I'm so sorry. So we had two options to order: a wood burner with one pan or with two pans. As you can see, we ordered two pans because they thought that it will be not really suitable. It will be unreliable to order like one pan because it's really easy to switch between two ones. For example, we are taking the small sharp and the big sharp at the same time. So, and right now we are gonna end the work that I started to do at the village. Birds. Let's do this. I'm so sorry about my appearance, I'm so sorry about the lighting, but right now I'm gonna end this work, and while I'm watching the FNAF full timeline. Oh my god, I just catched the nostalgia vibe, and I'm really want to do a cosplay. I'm really waiting for the film for the FNAF movie too, please. And this is how it turned out. This is really big one work. It is actually really cute. I really like how does it turned out. I also was using a white pencil there, so yeah. It also like right now at our kitchen, impressing all our guests, and they are praising me a lot. All this works. I forgot to mention, guys, like all these wood pieces that I have, I also actually have some empty of them. They were cut by my grandfather and my father there. It's from the bridge, so it's actually a real wood. And the last one work that I did like yesterday, it was a small bee on a small piece. I had this kind of piece, you know, this really small one, and I did a bee. Hi guys, I want to make another one. Oh my god, mess. Open to close it. Ew. So I want to make a small painting there with bee. I have already seen Pinterest some pictures. You can see. I want to do something similar, maybe with bee or dragonfly or butterfly. I don't know, something like that, because we have a just really small desk. It was pretty easy. Like, you know, the wood burner that was at the village, of course, was really old, and it was so much more trickier for me. It's got me so much more time to burn something. But right now, while using the new wood burner that my father bought me, it was so much more easier. Like, I did it just in 20 minutes, because this wood burner can heat till 500 degrees or stuff. Like, literally, you can even see how it turned red like a lava from the Minecraft. This is actually really dangerous, I guess. Anyways, so this is all our works that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I was just really restless to share all these works there, and maybe you found out something interesting and get inspired to actually try something new. This is actually the reason why I'm making this video, to just make you amused and engaged. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good night, have a good day, have a good morning. I don't know the time then you're watching this video. Don't forget about bottoms that we have below, and see you next time.